In the very beginning, I want to highlight from law faculty. Here is our respectable personality, Prithvi Rai sir, and he is also gold medalist. We all want to listen about the law faculty and its provision from his mouth. That's why I want to hand over this microphone to Prithvi Rai sir.
Our principal sir, our chairman sir of the program, first of all, and all the dignitaries, respected teachers, and all the people who are virtually and not virtually connected to today's program. As I have been asked by authority to speak up about today's program, and my name has already been highlighted, as I am here as a teacher on behalf of law faculty. I am Prithvi Nath Rai. I have been teaching law subject for 12-15 years in the Valley. Besides teaching, I am an advocate, practicing lawyer, as an author writing different books to the law students, either be it in grade 11, 12, BBS, BBA, even for LLB level, I have written more than half dozen of books which are available in the market. As a law student, I am a law teacher. Basically, I have done my specialization from commercial law. Ever since I started teaching in the Valley different reputed colleges, first of all, I would like to draw your attention. The college, ever since I started teaching as a law teacher, business law teacher in Einstein Academy. It is located at Mahalakshmi Sthan, Lalitpur district, that was established by very renowned, prolific personalities who used to run the school in Hong Kong. Durgapun, who stood board second during their time. I started my career from there. Since then, I started teaching different colleges like Caspian College, like Mega College, CPS College, Molis College, Kantipur Valley College, all those colleges for BA, LLB. Similarly, in Kathmandu, I taught in Shankardev College for BBA level, business law. Similarly, other college, KMC College, okay, BBA level, 4th semester. Similarly, I taught Trinity College, third year for BBS level, and different other colleges. Sometime as a mercantile teacher in the different institutes for CA students, and sometime, different colleges as a business law teacher. Nowadays, I started teaching, I have been teaching in a Reed Academy as a law teacher, as a jurisprudence teacher. Similarly, I have been teaching another one of the reputed college in Nepal. It's National Law College. It's located at Sanepa, Lalitpur. It's a very renowned college under Tribhuvan University, and I've been teaching their constitutional law subject over there. Having said, I am quite delighted to express my ideas and to express my experiences, sharing my experiences, because as I know that you people are very, highly academician, highly experienced, better than me. So I would like to learn so many things from you. As I've been speaking from the very beginning, ever since I have been introduced as a faculty member, since then I'm so excited, and very today as well, I was not thinking of coming over here and attending this seminar, because as we all know that COVID-19 pandemic is a very serious threat to all of us. It's a monstrous disease to all of us, and many of our relatives, friends, professionals, colleagues, they are in a great threat. Due to that reason, I was trying to be isolated with the program, but considering the importance and value of the program, I thought to present over here and speak of something and congratulate to all of you for this sort of very highest level of experience, highest level of professionalism maintaining you people are doing in this locality from the very beginning. More than 25 years experience, this sort of history nobody can make in this locality, and you people have done, and this, all the credit goes to you that you have done. In this context, or in this very unprecedented situation also, we all are present. This is very wonderful. Nobody can come by person, but you all are over here by person. Why? Because you like taking the challenges for the sake of society. You are sacrificing your personal liberty and freedom, and you are here wishing betterment, wishing well-being, wishing great thing, wishing splendid deeds from your side that you can do from your side. That's why you all are here. By name you are prolific, your ideas are prolific. The prolific personality, people, they always do the thing that general people, they do. The things, winner, they do not do the thing. The winner, they do the things differently. They do not do the thing different, but they do each and everything differently. That's why they are winners. So you have to take charge. This is monster disease absent. COVID-19 pandemic monster disease giving threat to all of us. So we should unitedly to be focused, to be centralized, and think for the better what we can do in future. We are the voice of the voiceless. We are the voice of the hope. We are the voice of the future. That's why we have to come over here and we have to speak for the people, give the lesson what we can do. It's not the thing that we need to be isolated and quarantined for the sake of our well-being and happiness, but we have to be dedicated, committed to the society, to the people of the society at large, that we can do whatever way from our side. This is what we all are over here. And academic institutions nowadays, if there is anything in a great risk and danger, it is academic institutions. Because without non-virtual presence, it is not possible to share the idea in a live situation. But we all are trying to disseminate our idea, to disseminate our values, and to make the people learn that it is possible. Because science has given the gift, and we have to utilize this. Those persons who cannot utilize the things given by the science and technology, and then algorithm, outcome of all these things, if you couldn't do this, then think your life is finished. That's why this is the situation that we have to utilize it. More challenges come, more difficulties, harder resistance come, but there is possibilities as well. The extraordinary people, they can do the thing in the extraordinary people time. General people, they like doing the thing in the general time. That's why you are extraordinary, you are prolific. The time comes, hurdle reaches, barrier comes, and the thing you do, that's the thing like a victorious, that's the thing you are like doing the triumphant, like the champion, like you are doing thing. And people, they like for this. People, they go for this. The students, they like for this. And this is what we have to give the message. This is the message of the 21st century. It was the thing that we have to do. As a teacher, the teacher from the womb to term, we get the lesson. And this is the school from where each and every sort of possibility this we have to grapple to find out and deliver to the people, to the countrymen, to the people of the whole world at large. Having shared this as a law student, there are many possibilities in the field of law too. In the field of law too, there are different types of possibilities. Okay, so in this context, this college has taken initiation to introduce the law subject. Many constitutional history, many legal history, many civilized history, if you go through, that we find the whole world without law cannot be governed, cannot be operated. There is no peace, tranquility, security. Okay? The fullest level of happiness, freedom, liberty is not possible until and unless there is the rule of law. Due to absence of rule of law, there is threat everywhere. There is threat everywhere in the society. Like, different types of manhandling, killings, murder, rape, everything is there. Why? Because there is no rule of law. Is there is prevalence of rule of law, there will not be a such threat. That's why this concept of rule of law is found to have been initiated by prolific higher secondary school and whole team. They are coming with a new hope and, wishes, desire, all these things fulfilling. They are trying to do this, trying to give the mainstream lamplight to the people living in the society at large and all the stakeholders. This is the very wonderful thing. They are trying to do this. If you go through this, the concept of legal history, be it the George Washington, first president of US, James Adams, second president, Thomas Thompson, third president, fourth president, James Madison, or Monroe, or the first president of US, Rajendra Prasad Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Xi Jinping, Vladimir Putin, Abraham Lincoln, to many other philosophers in the world. Be it in the context of our country as well, B.P. Koirala, Lakshmi Prasad Devkota, all of those people's literary figures and educationalists, they were also from the law background. So if you initiate law, study law faculty over here, it will be overwhelming to all the people, those who are going through the crisis in this pandemic situation. There is no fairness, there is no humanity. Humanity in a great crisis. That's why we have to find out the root cause of promoting, fostering the idea of humanity. For this we need to be united. Unity in the diversity. Our constitution has also incorporated the idea of multi-city, okay? Multi-dynamic values, multi-ethnic, multi-racial, multi-lingual, multi-cultural values, unity in the diversity. All those things, okay, from remote marginalized group, voice of the voiceless, and the triggering the factors to the utopian goal, all these things that our law has, our constitution had addressed all those values. It's not possible to be materialized until and unless initiation is made by we people from our respective sides. And this is what gonna happen by this college, this institution, and you all people are known as a prolific personality. By name, this college, this school is prolific higher secondary, and by action you are prolific personality. By your action sounds more than words, because 25 history nobody can make, nobody can gain. This is silver jubilee gonna happen, and this is you people, all the credit goes to you. Be it in the field of Montessori to master level, you people are, very well known, versatile. Be it in the field of law, literature, science, mathematics, okay, or sociology, account, right? Different subject, Nepali, geography, social study, all the subject that you are leading here as a very humble personality, sincere personality, energetic personality. Okay, get up and go get a personality. So this is what is not possible until and unless you do the thing wholeheartedly. That's why it is said, it is better to make a school rather than making a jail to jail the people, right? So this is the thing over here. I got a little bit overwhelmed and emotional getting this, level, and this prolific personality, our Sharan Maharshal. Ever since I know he is very, very good guy, good person, young, dynamic, okay, sincere, benevolent, kind, cooperative. So does the personality here, okay, born by our Gopal Maharshal. Ever since I came to know, he is very energetic, hardworking, laborious, intelligent, brilliant, cooperative, okay. So there is possibility. So this sort of gene is a must. So Harishar, I came to recognize during the time of drafting the agreement. I was made as a legal counselor over there, and this is the teamwork. The people who cannot work in the teamwork, and all the people here, I have forgotten those very superlative names from the science, from account, from other economics, and so many fields, computer, so many fields you have come over here, okay. Many of you are, Montessori trained teachers, okay, primary school trained teachers, okay, secondary trained teachers, higher secondary trained teachers, and this is not possible until and unless your painstaking effort, hard-working, effort, endeavor, effort doesn't go up to the mark to provide the education for the sake of humanity, for the sake of holistic development in an educational level. And this is possible only if you do the thing, if you accept the thing wholeheartedly. So at this time also we are here. Very wonderful people, they have made this platform to all of us. And we people, our life, our introduction is enough in the academic level that we have worked, and you people are more than me, right? And this opportunity, catching this, many things which is to be addressed, I might not have addressed, willing to address in the days to come as well, right? And always I love this sort of adventurous situation, academic things. There is always hope. There is always hope. Even there is hope in the silver lining in the black clouds even. So there is possibility. Okay, it is COVID-19, COVID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 19. 20 may come, 21 may come. Why to worry about? Each and every dark night, that is the golden, morning too. So we should not worry about this, thinking this positive energy is a positive, positivity is a must, positive energy is a must, positive attitude is a must, positive vibe is a must. That's a very, very foundation creating vibe that supersedes all the negativity and negative vibe. This sort of thought ought to have all of us, and then we can rock in the valley as a great, prolific academy, prolific leadership, prolific personality, prolific way of teaching, prolific way of manner and each and everything. I have completed good Rishi. Thank you.
Thank you, Prithvi sir. He is gold medalist as well as he has a prolific personality and professionalism. That's why he has also given the prolific introduction